Hello, Rahil. Oh. Hello, hello. In 5 minutes before we're starting. Let's see. Do we have any news today? We have... Yeah, we don't have like much news. Only unemployment. So it's basically nothing. Shorted euro. I wanted to short it like entire. Gold looks like a long here. You short the German 40. Like, this is what I've been telling you for a long time. You shouldn't jump into the trade, especially when you have new session. New session coming up. So you have liquidity sweep. You have this liquidity, but locally we have this zone. It's on 1 hour, and price can easily get there before going lower, and this is what most likely will happen. In my opinion, euro has slightly better potential because of like daily open. It's also shift here, and this zone already like touched premium. So theoretically, before going higher, we will go like lower. And I guess this is gonna be like the zone to look at. At least this is breaker. So might take around like this level. So this has high win rate than because this is in, if price will break above, like above my stop is like slightly higher. My original stop is this one, but I just like increase risk by a little. And if it breaks above, it can go to Asian high when maybe slightly high, and most likely we're gonna go down, or we'll keep pumping. But chances of it is kind of low because we already have shift with fair value gap, and this play like has high win rate. But you might be right about GER40. I just don't like that we have inverse fair value gap into premium high, right? I just like don't like it. It's way risky than euro. And I like how Audi showing like what you can expect in London Smash. So if Audi bearish, most likely euro gonna be bearish too. At least this is what I noticed. But yeah, your short is it's legit because you shorted like from premium. I shorted this on my main prop account. And British pound is better for short than euro, slightly because of this. This is euro British pound, so most likely it will keep going down. So this one will keep going up, and British pound will be a better choice for short than euro, if it makes sense. But you see, you already have 1-to-1, so congratulations. But it was risky, man. It was extremely risky. Okay, New York midnight. So potentially from New York midnight, price can go up to $100. So I think first of all we will see manipulation downwards till the slows, and then pump. I would love to see something like this. With gold, guys, I have no idea what to expect. Like, no idea at all. Yeah, thank you, perfect, man. Remember, first like 5 to 15 minutes is can be manipulation on first like 5 to 15 minutes. So take your profit. Yeah, I see like main liquidity been taken. And I wouldn't be surprised if price will reverse here. It's also New York midnight pretty soon. So maybe a bit lower to take out like all liquidity and then reverse. Yeah, New York midnight is super fucking important. It might stand, but I don't know. We'll see. You see, almost hit your stop loss. Don't be greedy. See gold. The problem with gold, I don't know where to look at. Gold fucking with me again. This fucking New York midnight level. Got reaction here. Okay, liquidity been taken. Equal low. So if it's gonna be stop, I'm just gonna be shorting once again from London's high. We'll see. Yeah, we have 5 more minutes for manipulation to be over. New York minute level here too. It's almost there. Okay, DXI. No, DXI bullish in my opinion. Locally it's bullish. At least it has to like test like this area here. From this high to this low. Yeah, it has to go higher. To like this area at least. So it can go like a bit lower. But most likely we will see this. This isn't DXI. I don't believe it will go down from here. Otherwise, it means like dollar gonna be like extreme weak, and it doesn't make any sense. It can go like a bit lower for sure. $2. Okay. And this level to be checked. Okay, so German 40 reached my final target for today for this London session, and now I would love to see reversal. I would love to see it. Or at least move like here and then move downwards. So like there's like 2 options at least. This is at least like what I think will happen. I think like pump till this fairway gap makes more sense because by doing this we eliminate like everyone who jump in the shorts. Yeah, at least it makes more sense than dive in here. Yeah, gold is not an option for me. Maybe one more leg down on Nasdaq and then potential reverse. Let's check German 14. But this like 1 minute candle is really nice. No, on gold, no, I don't think so. I don't think so. Not that easy, man. It's not that easy with German 40, always. It's not that, so that's fucking easy. So this area has to be tested, at least. I'm pretty sure this area will be tested and then price will go down. or it will keep going higher till this inverse fair value gap, and then it will die. So there's these two options. Yeah, looks like it was manipulated. Gear 1 out, trend looks bearish. Well, yes and no. Yes and no, man. It's not that easy as you think. If it breaks down below, like the problem with this, this fair value gap here, it's already been tested. So we tested this fair value gap. Now, yeah, potentially price can reverse. But this is the biggest problem. This one. This is Nasdaq. And usually German 40 follows Nasdaq. And Nasdaq near New York midnight right now. I want to move slightly lower. Manipulation down below. Yeah, you see, it didn't dive. So I would say 85 first level and then dive, or this fair value gap, like we talked. Imagine only you been watching stream. Imagine. It's basically like free money and free education, and people just don't want to watch it. BTC? Yeah, man, like it's huge SMT here, you see? So I think Ethereum will dive 2.7 unless, so if it break below 3.1, it's over. I've been looking at options. I've been buying, I wanted to buy puts on Ethereum. With expiration today. And I don't know. Yeah, you see? I want one more leg down. Fuck. One more leg down. One more leg down here. No, gold skip. This is not price action that I want to see. I'm really interested in Nasdaq. Yeah, this is, by the way, this is done. So German 40, if you didn't long here on this 1 minute candle, you can skip it. Because this is like already like no point to even look at it. One more leg down. One more. Yes, so I just want to see one more leg down. I let on this, low and just like wait. Gold short maybe till 10.55. Did we take liquidity? Yes, liquidity been taken. So next liquidity should be 10.55 or so. So it's a $4 move. $4 move. Yeah, but stop is too big, unfortunately. I can jump in with $4 here. Oh no, wait. No, don't like it. Almost hit, by the way. I would love to see move downwards, like to like this low. But we have some sort of like uptrend on the gold. Definitely. 30 minutes candle and 50 minutes candle. 15 minutes. About to close. Nice. I'm still expecting move down on Nasdaq. Let's see it on 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Maybe test this fairway gap first. This one. And then move downwards. Yeah, it would have been ideal. Yeah, let's wait. Man, gold literally dived. Dived here. What do you mean stuck? It just needs some time to consolidate. To be honest, I would love to see something like this. This is what I think will happen. Okay. Okay, so Nasdaq not obligated to dump now. It can bounce from here. It's a stop loss on this one. Not yet, actually. Let me check my position. Yeah, it's still alive. Barely, but alive. It's most likely gonna be stop here. And Asian high. But I keep my position open, so... Because there's no point like to close. It's literally like $5 difference. If it's gonna be stop, it's gonna be stop, so... Yeah, it's a stop. Euro doesn't favor me at all. Lately. A lot of manipulations. Why it should go there, man? That's why. You mean like this high, top of this range? Yeah, it might, but I've been playing correction play, so my idea was to short till this breaker, right? So my idea was the DXI took previous weekly low, we did consolidation, we did a shift, and we have we had previous daily high taken, we had shift, which is this one. If not, we have this one, right? So you have proper shift, and I was expecting price to go to daily open or so. We got nice reaction here, order block, and price like I've been expecting price to go like to this level at least, this one, maybe here to this breaker before going high. So that's what was in my mind. So basically this, right? So we take right now, maybe what we will see, manipulation with Asian high, dump, and then like pump. We can see this. This was my idea when I opened the trade. Why gold in the range? Because it's expecting like big move. Maybe that's why. Yeah, you see, this my idea was like here on British pound. So price in consolidation and most likely price will dive. Well, this is like 2D, but you got the idea. Oh, we had okay sweep. Good. Good, good, good. It's monthly open level. Okay. We'll see what Nasdaq will offer us. Oh, USD What's up with this? Oh, 0.5. Equilibrium of what? Oh, just like took Frankfurt low. The only reaction I expect is from this 5-minute forward gap. And it's New York midnight. So if we break it and move above, which almost good with timings, then yeah. This should be fine. But I think if we're talking about also gold here, or a bit higher. That's a good range. Honestly, I don't like market at all. Why do you need to look at why do you need to look at 1 hour and 4 hour time frame every single time if I already looked at it? If I already looked at 4 hours, what it gives me? Next 4 hour candle, so it's formed 5, gonna be formed only in 1.5 hours, and it's like this 4 hour candle took liquidity. So or we're gonna go in range, or price will still go high here. Most likely within the next like 1 hour 70 minutes we just go sideways, and then on next 4 hours, so we're gonna form this fair value gap, and next 4 hour gonna be like pump, so something like this. So most likely price will stick around for like, imagine this is low time frame. Yeah, I'm gonna close at break even, and I'm gonna go chill for a bit because market in range and will be in range for like a bit, and I just don't want to force myself into trades. But you don't need to look at 4 hour chart 24/7. Same with like 1 hour. You need to look on 1 hour when 1 hour closed, and here 1 hour closed really good, and we still have some zones high to be clear out. Still, like you don't need to look at chart like 1 hour chart 24/7. You look at it once. Same as, are you gonna look at weekly charts every single minute? No. You look at weekly chart once, maybe 2 times a week. Exactly the same with 1 hour. If you can, if you wanna avoid looking at chart 24/7, like it goes like Turkey or something like this. Let's see. Yeah, this one. High time frame profile. There you go. 1 hour, 15 minutes, 4 hours, daily, weekly. You can have this, and you don't need to look at anything else. You can fuck around with this. But yeah, most likely we will go down to take this long. But I cut it break even, so whatever. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go like do my stuff. See you around, guys. Bye.